gamit mo. Parehas din yun eh.
Eh, okay lang naman. Eh, yung drive niya, pwede naman yung drive niya. Oo.
Yan drive na nga na yun.
Maganda nga yun kasi maliit eh. Madaling tignan sa harap kasi walang usok.
Walang uso. Ano yung uso niya? Wala. Hindi na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye po. Thank you
Bye-bye.
po.
Soon my birthday.
Bago pa nun. Is your birthday?
Yeah.
When is your birthday?
March 23.
Tutulak lang yan. Yan may iip ko eh. May naaso siguro yan. Ba't may pressure washer eh? Hindi mo na ako eh. Ay, may ikaw.
Bye-bye. See you on my birthday. See you on my birthday.
Para yun ang yung pressure washer na portable. Preno mo nga.
Ilaw.
Break. Break. Okay. Yung yung dalawang green.
Hindi
Atras.
ka kanina eh.
Ha? Baby ka ba?
Ito pa ilaw.
Ito pa. Park light. Park light mo nga. Park light. Park light. Wala.
Gigi?
Plastic.
Oh no. Bye-bye, Uncle. See you on my birthday. So, are we gonna pick up Alonso?
Okay.
Just buy a radio ng accent ko.
Yung paa mo.
Uncle, can you please buy the radio ng accent?
Pero ko. Oh.
Malambot to.
Ha?
Malambot ba yun?
Medyo.
Uncle, can you please buy a radio accent? Please.
Pakargahan mo.
Bleh.
Malambot dulo niya. Ingat.
Ito yan oh. Malambot niya
We
ako.
told you, Uncle.
Kargahan mo ha.
Karga yung accent, yung radio. Yun.
Ha?
Yung karga yung accent.
Bit bit.
Uncle, beep beep. Haha. Why is the accent got beep beep? Not in that highest beep beep. Nang
Malaki yung bit bit niya. Malaki yung tunog.
beep more. Beep more, Uncle. Beep more. It's gonna